Will I wake up in the morning to the sound of the alarm clock ring, and I stumble to the kitchen and see what another day of hell's gonna bring. A little whiskey in my coffee, Lord, it look like another fine day to me. Well, the lightning strikes water just like the ring of an old church bell, and the saints go to heaven. A sinner like me who ain't just gonna hell, yeah. Shook hands with the devil and rode that cold black train on a midnight thrill. Yeah, 'cause I rode that train on a midnight thrill. I've been down high and low. I stumbled out into the desert, end up in a foot of snow. Darling, don't worry, it ain't the drugs that drive me mad. It's that constant life of sin I lead. It keeps me further from the promised land. Till I bow my head at night and pray, Lord, take my sins away. Yeah, 'cause I rode that train on a midnight thrill. I've been down high and low, and I stumbled out into the desert, end up in a foot of snow. Sin I lead keeps me further from the promised land. I bow my head at night and pray, Lord, take my sins away. Yeah, 'cause I rode that train on a midnight thrill. I've been down high and low. I stumbled out into the desert. I end up in a foot of snow. Oh, let's ride that train. I road, but we stole his keys and drove that truck through the night. We found a spot not too far from here with real tall trees and some ice cold beer, and we made love right on through the night. By the creek, watching the stars fall running through the night, baby, dancing our clothes off. Hold me close and girl, I'll hold you tight. And be dancing in the rain all night long, girl, it would be insane. And loving and laughing, girl, it'd be alright. In the pale moonlight. By the creek, watching stars fall running through the night, baby, dancing our clothes off. Hold me close and girl, I'll hold you tight. Be dancing in the rain all night long, girl, it won't be insane. And loving and laughing, girl, it'd be alright. In a pale moonlight. Well, the rain came pouring down, and I saw time freeze like frozen ground. Saw her face, and I saw his too, and I saw them lying underneath the full moon. Heard them talking like they were old friends. Hell, I couldn't help but wonder where the hell I've been. Felt that fire down deep in my soul. Hell, I loved her once, but now I gotta let her go. I gotta let her go. I couldn't let her stay. Yeah, she broke my heart and threw our love away. And now I'm standing in the middle of the cement cell, thinking about the night when I solved all my problems with that 45. house all time freeze like frozen ground.